Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect amigurumi parts. First, gather your materials, a tapestry needle and the same yarn you used for your amigurumi. Begin by positioning the two pieces you want to join. Make sure they are perfectly aligned to ensure a symmetrical result. This initial step is crucial for a professional-looking finish. Take your time to get the placement just right before you start stitching. The invisible seam method creates a nearly undetectable join. Start by inserting your needle into the front loop of a stitch on the first piece. Next, bring the needle through the back loop of the corresponding stitch on the second piece. Repeat this process, alternating between the front loop of one piece and the back loop of the other. Pull the yarn gently after every few stitches to tighten the seam, ensuring a smooth and continuous look. When attaching smaller parts, like arms or ears, pinning them in place is incredibly helpful. Use a few sewing pins to hold the piece exactly where you want it. Then, use the invisible seam method, stitching around the base of the limb at least 2 or 3 times for extra security. This ensures the part is firmly attached and can withstand gentle handling. Finally, weave in any remaining yarn tails neatly. After attaching all your pieces, take a moment for the finishing touches. You might add a tiny bit of extra fiber fill to gently shape the attached parts, giving them a more natural look. Always double-check all your connections to ensure they are stable and neat. With practice, you will develop your own preferred methods for joining amigurumi pieces, making each creation uniquely yours. Enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.